Look at her already out there starting to get it. We just got to the river. We're about to try to catch some steelhead, some browns, bounce around. We're just gonna wing it today, see what happens. There it is, right there. I got it. It's a brown. That's brown all day. Big head shakes. It's a nice fish. Look at them head shakes. Oh, here we is. Here it is. Here it is. All right. I don't know, a couple drifts in and we just landed this nice little mama brown trout. We're gonna let her go. She's ready still. Oh, she's just gonna swim right off. Woo! There it is. I got it. It's a brown. Nice brown. Oh, it's a nice brown. We're locked. All right, ready? Shit. Nice. Just landed the second fish. Spawned out mama brown. We'll let her go. Oh.
There she goes.
That's. There it is. Rocks, rocks. It's a brown. Oh, it's a nice one. We are locked. Oh gosh. I'm scared now. Head shakes. Big brown. Big brown. Oh, buddy. Come on, mama. There she goes. Whew. Nice. Sweet. Yeah, it is. Just landed our third fish of the day. Mama brown trout spawned out. We're gonna let this one go. He's gonna be real nice. All right. Third fish of the day. It's a good start. See if we can get some more action. All right, we're out of this spot. 3 browns. That's not a bad start.
Not at all.
Not at all. What up?
Bitch, hurry up.
Is it good?
I got like a 15, 16 pounder on a big steelhead.
All right.
Why?
GoPro when you called me.
Did you?
Yeah. So Kyle calls me freaking out. Bro, get here. Get here. What does Kyle got? A 16-pound steelhead.
Biggest fish I've caught in this system ever.
Dude, that's a giant.
Oh, man.
What was the fight on that like?
I almost cried because I couldn't get it in by myself. You know, it's hard to net a steelhead by itself, but when you add 15 to 16 pounds on it, I got a little wet for him. I don't care though.
That's a trophy.
Just a trophy, man.
Giant fish.
Whew.
Awesome, dude.
Oh, man.
That's so sick, dude. He's got some awesome cheeks, too.
Dude, look how big his
huge
mouth
snout,
is.
dude.
He was barely hooked, too.
That's a steelhead, bro. Giant. There we go. We're locked. We are locked, folks. New spot, just moved. Kyle's got us on him. I'm way up here. Right? It's going through the ice. I'm gonna try to hop down. Here he is. I'm falling through. Hand land it. It ain't that small. Well, we just moved spots. Again. Got this nice steelhead. Not quite as big as the one Kyle got today. That's alright though. We'll take it. Alright. Nice chromer. Beautiful fish. Gonna let her go. Back out onto this ice. Hopefully I don't fall in. Bye bye. Oh, alright. There it is. No, that's no, that's, yeah. Oh yeah, we're locked. We're locked. We are locked. Down there in the sticks. What do we got here? A steelhead? We are locked. Little steel. Where are you going? Nice colors. Yeah, I'm working them there. Working them. Come here, buddy. I know. This fish is angry. Nah. Got him in this little pool. Into the net. Perfect. Thanks, Carly. Sweet. It's a pretty fish. Alright, we just landed another fish. Nice steelhead. Put up a good fight. We're gonna let her go. They're slippery. Try to do this gently. Alright, mama. Take her easy. Oh yeah. Back out into the river. It's your turn.
It's been my turn.
It's been your turn. Let's make it happen. You want my stump?
You got any little split shots in your pocket?
I got some in my bag. Like really small ones.
There's some bigger ones in mine.
Actually, I might have some in my pocket. Here's some in my pocket. Are these two? Oh, no, those are not split shots.
I love small ones.
Here. Oh shit, my bobber just went down. There, I'm on. Locked. Trying to get Kyle some split shots. And I'm locked. Oh God. Get out of there. Kyle, give me the net. I'm walking out there. I got it. I got it. I got it, buddy. I got it, buddy. Oh, buddy. Landed it. Whew. All right. Just landed this. Another nice little steelhead. Number 5 today. Not a bad day. Gonna let this one go. Carly's over there getting it. Get it, Carly. Gonna let this one go. Nice steelhead. Nice steelhead. She's gone. All right. I'll take it. All right, time to move spots. We've been hitting some spots today. Some places and some things. We've seen some fish and some things. Locked on the bridge. Big steel. Big steel on the bridge. Oh, we'll take it. Woo! Slippery. All right. She's locked on the bridge, folks. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come here. Yes. Ah,
In the back.
got it.
It might be little. I don't care.
It's not bad. It's not even that little. Is that little? It's like a 6-pounder. Gotta get a good release on her. Oh, buddy. Steelhead is gone. All right. Legit. Yes, there's usually more. See, there's one in here still. Come on. Here.
You really want me to do this?
Yes, I'm gonna go net it. I'm gonna go net it. Here. I'm locked right now, Carly. Ready? His head shaking. Carly's gonna hand it off. I'm gonna slide down and net it. That's a nice little mama. Oh, death rolls. Death rolls. Death rolls. She's a nice one. Look at that. Nice steel. Well, that's the last fish of the day for us. We had a good day, solid day. Caught some nice steelhead, nice browns. I'm gonna do the death walk down and see if I can release this fish without completely dying. Gonna let this one go. That was a nice one.
Legit.
I like that better.
Yeah.
Get it down there. On. Yes.
How fucking
Locked.
8.
8.
That wasn't the last video.
My bobber dunked hard. Look at it running. It's going. It's coming. Here you go. Oh yeah. Here, I'll go down there and get it. All right. The last fish of the day, I think. It was a good day. We caught a lot of steelhead, got some browns. Here she goes. Nice steelhead. All right.
Springs right off.
Good day. Good day. Otto's down on the piers, probably. What? What? Way down there. That's like 200. We're locked.
Ridiculous.
Dude, it's jumping. That was so far away. That's so far. You're locked,
Definitely
Carly.
a steelhead. Definitely a steelhead.
Definitely a steelhead. Oh man. Now this is happening.
She's coming to
It's
me.
so far out there. It was probably 100-yard drift. Looked like a better fish too when it jumped. I'm gonna slide down there. It's coming quick. Nice fish. Super drift. Oh. Oh, that's a nice one. It's a buck. It's a buck steel. She's locked. Come on, mister. Oh! That's your colored up male right there. Nice. Carly just got this one. We keep saying it's gonna be the last fish, but we just keep landing fish. So we're probably gonna stay at the river until you can't fish anymore today. How can you complain when you're catching fish? Nice buck steelhead, nice colors on it.
Pretty little guy.
Alright, we keep saying it's our last fish, so maybe this one will be, maybe not. You never know. You never know. I'm getting used to this walk though.
It's pretty brutal.
Oh, she is off.